Welcome everyone to Ross Reviews, and today we're going to be making Vietnamese beef stew or bo kho. The ingredients and preparation list is 1 pound of gravy beef or half a kilogram, 1 pound of beef brisket or half a kilogram for that fattiness, and you want that those lovely globules of fat drops on the top of your stew. So 2 stalks of lemongrass, 4 star anise, 2 cloves of fresh garlic, a nice knob of fresh ginger, 1 fresh shallot, 1 brown onion, 140-gram tomato paste is just a small little, the smallest little can of tomato paste that you can get, 3 or 4 tablespoons of spice, Chinese spice or any other good spice, 6 tablespoons of Kikkoman dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 large carrot, and enough coconut water to cover the beef for braising. So first of all, we're going to start with marinating the beef overnight.
First, cut the meat into 1-inch squares. Slice the garlic, shallot, ginger into small enough pieces to blend into a puree. Then, mix the puree, fine spice powder, soy sauce, sugar with the meat and marinate overnight.
Alright, so the next step after marinating the meat overnight is to go ahead and fry off the meat, sear the meat on each side, and we're going to do that in a pressure cooker on heat no cover, and that allows you kind of to do the stir frying before the braising. So we're going to put 1 tablespoon of canola oil, tomato paste, coconut water, and the marinated meat that we made yesterday, and the carrots. So you stir fry this along until you start to smell the aromatics come out of the lemongrass and the star anise. I'll start putting the meat in. Alright, after 3 minutes the meat has been seared. Now we add the can of tomato paste. We only use enough coconut water to cover meat, so go ahead. Okay, so that's enough to cover the meat and everything else. So we set this to meat in 35 minutes. And let that start cooking, and we'll show you the result.
And it looks like this. You can see the carrot, the soup is a little bit thick because the tomato paste, but it should be.
Alright, so this was Vietnamese beef stew, bo kho, and I'll give it a 3 out of 5 stars. It's very spicy, very fragrant, very strong. You can taste the lemongrass, you can taste the 5 spice, very strong, and you taste the sweetness of the carrots. Also, it's mixed with onion and cilantro, and you got to get everything in one big bite. You need to add some spring shoots and lemon. You get that crunchiness and that sour flavor. But overall, 3 stars out of 5. This is Wifey Cooks, Hubby Eats, and stay tuned for our next episode. Please subscribe and hit like. Thank you.